What's up and what's good, everybody? It's Sean with 614 Inc. Reviews and How-Tos, and today we are going to be taking a look at how to make your running boards last for eternity. Now notice I did not say rust proof, and I just want to go over a couple things to protect myself from the comment section before we jump right into this. And so first things first, my truck, I am aware, is aluminum. It is already rust proof. The reason I am doing this personally is for a cosmetic solution. My paint is oxidizing and peeling and delaminating from my aluminum running boards. And so for me, I am just doing this purely to dress them up. For anybody out there whose trucks or running boards are not aluminum, who has a steel constructed running board like you Dodge and Chevy guys, your running boards can still rust out over time, or if you have an aftermarket set of running boards that are steel constructed, they can rust out over time. And so the only single solution that will make your running boards last for a lifetime, and I want to explain it, is truck bed coating. Now powder coating, which a lot of you guys are probably saying, well, that'll work too. No, it will not, and I will explain why. It is a very durable finish and coating solution that will protect your running boards from the outside in from the elements. However, from the inside out, your steel running boards can still rust. And so if you have, like what I do, open-ended running boards that just allow a ton of water and salt from winter driving into your running boards, and they rust from the inside out, your powder coating is only as good as the metal underneath, and so it will ultimately fail too. Now, the most perfect example I can give you of why the truck bed coating will work and protect steel running boards, even if they rust from the inside out, is at my local Line-X shop, which is where I will be taking my running boards to have sandblasted and coated. They have a light bulb on the checkout counter. They ran the light bulb over with a truck. It compressed about 1/2 inch and broke all of the glass to the light bulb inside. They shook out all the glass, and what they were left with was a light bulb shaped Line-X coated piece of material. And that is essentially what would happen if your running boards rusted from the inside out if they were steel. The Line-X or Rhino or whatever truck bed coating you decide to go with is such a durable system that even if what's underneath of it rusts, it will still maintain shape and be durable enough for you to use with normal everyday practical use. And so this, in my opinion, is the only lifetime solution that you can apply to your running boards to make them outlast even your truck. And so without further ado, the first step we're gonna do is remove the running boards. Then we are gonna remove the brackets. Then we are going to strip the running boards of all of the hardware and any plastic treads or end caps so that they are just essentially a raw metal substrate. And then we're going to take them to our local truck bed coating shop, whichever one you prefer. We're going to have them sandblasted, have them Line-X or Rhino coated or whatever have you, reassemble all of the plastic hardware, reassemble all of our metal mounting hardware, reinstall our brackets, and reinstall our running boards. And I will give you an in-depth look at how to do all that, and you can look at before and after results. And I hope this helps you guys out and you find it useful. Let's check it out. Alright, what's up YouTube? We're back. I just picked them up from Line-X, and so the next step is to put the treads back on and the end caps back on and all of the hardware back into position, they look so killer. We'll go over and do some close-ups once I actually get them put back on the truck. They were from Ford, the gunmetal gray before, as you saw in some of the videos, and now they are straight black with just a slight sheen. It's almost like a satin finish, and it just looks absolutely killer. They are going to be so much more off-road ready, even though I really don't take the truck off-road. Any road debris or rocks or anything that you would kick up during normal everyday driving, these are going to be impervious to. And so we'll go ahead and start putting them back together and get them thrown on the truck, and then I'll show you guys a close-up of what they look like, but I'm super pleased. Alright YouTube, and after all that, here is your final product. A Line-X coated, rust proof, lifetime running board system. It looks super killer in my opinion. I could not be happier with the way that they turned out. The textured black just looks absolutely awesome. And more importantly, like I said, I will never have to worry about my paint delaminating again, or rock scuffs or nicks or road debris tarnishing my finish or anything like that. And if you had steel running boards, you know, this is a definite coating or system that you could use on yours to help protect them so that they withstand the test of time. And so I hope you guys found this useful. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.